There's a beautiful road here. It's interesting to do cycling. Like one can walk on the other side, and here I can do cycling. It's very difficult to make videos because the weather is still very cold. At least little better than yesterday, but still it's very cold. And this river is this road is along with the river side, and amazing. It's very happening and beautiful. You can see that. There is some yacht. Well, it's not very difficult to rent a bicycle here. You can rent it using Alipay. There is a little elevation here. So, but still, the bicycle is really very smooth. I like it, and there is a system here. Like basically, you don't need to do much. From Alipay, you just scan the QR code and follow the instructions, and it's done. And it takes very little charges, and yeah, that's enough. Okay, look at this. That's nice, right? That's, yeah, amazing, beautiful. But it's very cold to hold the camera. It's really beautiful. Big skyscrapers. Nice. Initially I had no plan to visit Shanghai, but after coming here, I like this place. So even though it's very concrete, oh, look at that. Look. So I was there actually, behind those buildings. I came from that side. Turn right. So, okay, now I like this city, even though it's very, materialistic, concrete, but still, it's beautiful, and it's beautifully decorated. So there is a beautiful vibe. At least once in a lifetime, definitely one can visit here. Or if somebody wants to walk, okay, I need to go right. My navigation is still telling me to go right. Okay. I need to go right that side, I guess. Okay. Here I need to follow the right side lane, not like left lane, like India or UK. So sometimes it is difficult. Okay, I need to check my map. Let me wait over here and then check my map. Also, my hand is freezing. Like on this hand I'm wearing my gloves, but this hand is naked, so it's freezing cold. Okay. Alright, let's see where I can reach. It's already 8:30. 8:30 is actually late here, especially in Beijing or in Shanghai or in Guangzhou, Shenzhen, everywhere in China it's very late. Okay, not like India. And I came to this mall. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Here's a store, It's called Galbot. So there's a robot, and you can make order here, and the robot will serve you for anything you want. So you can buy from robot, and he's even looking at me. Look. No, but he was looking at me. Okay. So if I order something, desired item.
您好，咖啡饮料现点现做，要试试吗？
Okay, he said something. Coca-Cola 5 1. I can order it. But okay. No, thank you. Yeah, there is entrance. Anyhow, looks very empty. Oh, that's a robot, cleaning robot. Here in front of me, there's a Huawei store, and here not just the phone and laptops, they have huge models of cars as well.